Remodeling can be really stressful and overwhelming, especially when it comes to the finishing selection. So we love that with our business, we can help guide our clients into the best brands that we've used, the best products that we love and trust.
Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Morgan.
And we are the owners of Construction in Style.
At Construction in Style, we're a home improvement resource blog, and then we also do residential remodeling for clients. We love using LK sinks.
I think with LK, the quality is there.
And they can customize. So with a lot of work that we do, we get families that, they all have different lifestyles, they all have different needs and wants, and so we work with them to kind of get to know them, to figure out what kind of style that they want to go with their kitchen. And we can work directly with LK to design, and they will build a perfect sink for our clients' needs. It's a place where you're spending a lot more time than you think you are around the sink, and it's often a selection that's a little bit overlooked. After every project that we do, I always am bragging about how we have the best clients in the world. They follow our blog, they kind of see our style, and each of our clients are different, so we're constantly doing different finishing selections in their spaces, and nothing makes us happier than when they let us kind of just take control because they already trust us, because we built a relationship with them online years before because they've been doing our tutorials, going to our blog and our website on design inspiration. So when they're finally ready to hire us to come and renovate their home, we've already had this trusting relationship with them. So LK has these rounded edges which are super easy to clean, so you don't get that hair and gunk stuck in it. And it's a place that you're spending a lot of time, whether it's bathing your baby in the sink or washing your dishes or having your first food fight.
They can customize anything that you want. We do a lot of fully custom kitchens and bathrooms, and that's just added benefit to it.
And a lot of times, our clients can't always find the perfect vanity in a bathroom or the perfect cabinetry, and so Jamie's able to build it with the exact measurements they want, and then we can work directly with LK to make sure that the sinks are going to fit into the custom builds that he's doing for the project. We are standing right now in our kitchen and dining room remodel. We've been working on it for a couple of months, and I'm so excited because we are going to be putting in a large stainless steel undermount sink. And then what I'm most excited about is we're putting in one of their pot fillers. It's going to go right above the stove so that we can quickly and easily fill up our hot water. And we're also going to be doing one of their semi-professional faucets. We've been putting LK sinks into our clients' homes for years now. We're finally remodeling our very own home and sharing all about it on the blog. And we cannot wait to put an LK sink, faucet, and pot filler right into our own home.